he is so hot. Wow, this girl has got something in her. Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this cute and sexy Samantha look. To be very honest, when I first saw this look, I was like a little scared if I will be able to do justice to this look or not, but then I thought, why not just give it a try? And it's such a unique look. That is the reason why I decided to do it. It's got golden liner, yellowish golden liner on one side and pink on the other with nude natural lips. It just looks so fun and so sexy at the same time. And you guys for a very long time wanted me to do a Samantha look, so here it is. So now let's just quickly get started. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, guys. A lot of you guys are watching my content, you guys are liking it, loving it, but you're not subscribed. That just breaks my heart. Guys, please subscribe right now if you haven't already. And now let's get started. So I already prepped my face, I cleansed it, I moisturized it. Now I'm ready for the makeup. So since I have dark circles, I'm just gonna use an orange color corrector. You can use any orange color corrector that you have. I'm just gonna make another video about that, in-depth tutorial about how to conceal your under eye area, because a lot of you guys have asked me how to do it. Since I have dark circles, the first thing I do is I take an orange color corrector and I put it under my eyes. I'll also take some and put it on the sides of my forehead, because I have a certain amount of pigmentation on the sides of my forehead as well. Now my skin is ready for the foundation, and for the foundation I'm going to use a new one. Today I'm going to use the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation with vitamin C and turmeric. This comes in 7 shades and the shade I got for myself is number 03 Nude Glow. So I'm just going to shake it a little bit, and Mamaearth products are made safe certified, which means that you can use it every day. It's very safe to use. The best thing about a foundation, obviously apart from the fact how it blends and what kind of a coverage it gives, is the pump. I love it when brands do this. So I am just going to take this much. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. So this shade is a little dark for me, so I'm just gonna mix a little bit of ivory glow. Yeah, now it looks like the perfect match for me. And it's a Longstay foundation. It's just gonna stay up to 12 hours. It just blends so easily and so beautifully, and I just love the kind of glow it gives to my face. It just blends in seconds and is just effortless. It's very lightweight, and it just hydrates my skin so much. It actually feels like applying a moisturizer. So it's got vitamin C and turmeric, and we all know that turmeric has got anti-inflammatory properties. And जैसे पहले के ज़माने में like they all used to use turmeric हल्दी on their face, because पहले के ज़माने में फाउंडेशन नहीं होता था, तो क्या करते थे जिससे उन लोगों को ग्लो मिले? They used to apply haldi on their face to get that beautiful glow. It's amazing that now they're coming up with foundations which has got these natural beautiful ingredients like turmeric, which can do wonders actually to your skin. And we all know that vitamin C is known for being an antioxidant, a great antioxidant, and it just brightens the skin. And look at that glow. I'll just show you up close how beautiful my skin looks. It just looks so natural. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a foundation. It's that lightweight, and you don't even have to mix it with a beauty oil or anything to get that glow. It just gives the most beautiful glow. Okay, since the foundation's done, I'm now going to conceal my under eye area. So take a concealer and apply it on the area under your eyes, and then just blend it. You can also use your fingers. Fingers के warmth से भी बहुत अच्छा blend होता है. So now I'm going to set my under eye area. So I'm going to use the Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact with vitamin C and turmeric. This has got SPF 30. This gives 2 times instant glow than the normal compacts. And look how instantly it just brightened my under eye area. This is amazing. I can hardly feel it. It's just that lightweight. This has got India's first talc free formula, and this is also made safe certified, which means you can use it every day. It comes in 4 shades, and the shade I'm using today is number 2 Creme Glow. I'm just going to set my whole face with this powder, and it is not like matte. It will not make your skin dry. This has also got vitamin C and turmeric, and it's gonna last up to 12 hours. See how beautifully just covered my blemishes and pores, and it just gives a very nice even toned skin. Sometimes when you just stretch your skin, it just feels a little dry. This does not make your skin dry at all, and it just gives the most natural, beautiful, glowy finish. The thing I love about Mamaearth is that every time you order on their website, they will link your order and they will plant a tree, and by 2025 they're aiming at planting 1 million trees, and I am very impressed with this. You'll get early access to their sales and discounts if you install their app. So Mamaearth has their official app, and I'll put the links in the description box below for iOS and Android. So I've got a coupon code for 20% discount on their website and their app. You can check out my description box for all the details. Now, since I'm discussing about Mamaearth, let me show you a couple of other products that I absolutely love. I love their Moisture Matte Longstay lipstick. Recently, whenever I go out, I use these lipsticks because they not only hydrate your lips, but the color also stays throughout. This is in the shade Carnation Nude. It just looks so pretty, and this one is also such a gorgeous shade. It's in the shade Plum Punch. I love their charcoal black long stay kajal too. It does not smudge at all. I've tried it. It does not smudge. It's waterproof, and it is the smoothest. I am going to move on to my eyebrows. You guys were requesting me to do Samantha's look since a very long time, but I wasn't sure which look to go for. I also already did a Nayanthara look on my channel because I heard this song Onakaga. So I was just thinking which Samantha look to go for. Then I watched Coffee with Karan. I generally don't watch Coffee with Karan. By the way, I remember why I watched that episode, because I love Akshay Kumar. He is so hot. How many of you guys think that Akshay Kumar is hot? I feel like he is smoking hot. He can carry any outfit. I just feel like Ranveer Singh tries to follow his footsteps. I think he definitely got this from Akshay Kumar. How many of you are team Ranveer and team Akshay? I am totally team Akshay. Just comment down below in the comment section. This is interesting. I would definitely want to know. Okay, so getting back to the topic of why I watched this episode, it's just because of Akshay Kumar, and Samantha was also there in this episode, and I was like, wow, this girl has got something in her. She was very charming and very poised and very graceful, and I love grace in a person. Like, a person who is graceful, instantly I can relate to that person. I'm just gonna use a bronzer and bronze my face, because she does not have a contoured face, but just a very nice glowy bronzy face. I am also going to bronze my jawline and a little bit on my nose. Next, I'm going to use a pink cream blush. So I'm just going to take some and apply it on my cheeks. She does not have a dark blush. It's just a very light hint of blush. She's got that beautiful glow on her face, so I'm just using a cream blush. A little bit on the nose. I'll just move on with the eyes now. Since I can't see what's on her eyelids, I'm just going to use this compact and just take it and apply it on top of my eyelids, just to give it a fresh look. And then taking the bronzer, I'm just going to apply it on the crease area of my eyes, just for a little depth. She's got a bright pink on her right eyelid and a bright yellow on her left eyelid. It's just like an eyeliner. I'm just gonna take a very bright pink. I spray this brush with a little bit of setting spray, and then take the pink eyeshadow and apply it like a liner. Just make sure you fill in your eyelash area. I'm just adding the color little by little till the time I'm satisfied with the intensity of the color. And yeah, I think I'm very happy with the intensity of the color right now. Next, I'm just gonna take a makeup removing wipe and just wipe off all the color from the brush, because I'm just gonna use the same brush for the yellow. Now taking this bright yellow shade, I'm going to apply it on the other eyelid. I'm not going in for the intensity first. I'm just tracing the size and the width of the eyeliner. It's gonna turn out better if you have a pink and a yellow eyeliner. I actually don't. I'm actually using whatever I have, so you can't make an excuse that, oh my god, I don't have this, I don't have that product, I cannot recreate this look. No. You can actually recreate any look with whatever products you have. So that's done. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. I got to be really careful while applying the mascara, because I don't want the mascara to ruin what I have on my eyes. So just be very careful. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it on the bottom lash line and just blend it with any blending brush. Now I'm just going to take a highlighter and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes, and then also apply it in the inner third area of my eyelids, so that, you know, it just doesn't feel like bam, color out of nowhere. Everything needs to blend really nicely so that there's just some kind of a continuation. I'm going to apply the highlighter on the high points of my face now, on my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'll also apply it on the brow bone area. For the lips, I'm just going to take the Mamaearth Moisture Matte Longstay lipstick in the shade Pink Tulip. This is a very pretty shade. I use it on a regular basis. Dot it on my lips and then just blend it with my fingers. She's wearing a very light pink shade. So I'm just going to take this compact. You can take your compact and apply it on my lips, just to lighten it a little bit, and it's just gonna work absolutely fine. This is how you can lighten any lip shade that you have. I just applied some false lashes and I'm back. And now I'm just going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. The pink is popping, but the yellow is not. So I'm just going to take this bright goldenish tint, and I'm going to apply it so that, you know, it just can be seen. Otherwise, it's just not popping. Wow. Now I like it. I'm also going to take the pink and thicken this line a little bit. It's just some last minute changes. And I'm also going to add a little bit of clear lip gloss, because her lips are really glossy. Now it's time for me to open the clips and go all full glam. She's got a side parting. I'm just gonna go for a side parting like hers. Last but not the least, I'm just gonna put a hydrating spray all over my face, and now the look is complete. Alright guys, so that is the complete look. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Also, many of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Guys, please hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe right now. Let's just make sushdazzles a family of 200k really fast. And also, I've noted down all your requests in my notebook, and they are coming out very soon. So you guys can be excited, because lots more videos coming up on my channel. Alright guys, like, share and comment down below which look you want me to do next. And please don't forget to subscribe guys. Subscribe right now, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.